In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an external integration of type Microsoft SharePoint pages. In the Agentic platform, agents can leverage the textual content from your SharePoint pages via a dedicated external integration. SharePoint is a web-based collaborative platform that allows you to store and share files. A SharePoint site can have pages with various types of content, text, images, etc. Before creating the integration, you must ensure that you have created credentials, allowing you to access the content of your SharePoint by going to Administration Credentials. In this example, we will be using SharePoint 0365 user account credentials that we have previously created. Once you have ensured you have SharePoint credentials ready, go to Data Sources External Integrations. Click Add External Integration. Then select Microsoft SharePoint Pages to create a new integration. Now, you can configure the external integration to fit your use case. Start by giving it a clear name so that other builders know what it is. Select the credentials to use for this data source. Next, provide a short description of the integration by specifying what it contains, for example. Select the language of your SharePoint pages. Specify the SharePoint site path in the described format. In this example, our site is named ITHD Demo. If you want to include specific pages or pages from specific folders, you can enter a pattern in regular expression, regex format, of what to include. In this example, we will include all pages by using this regex, meaning that all pages with the .aspx extension will be included. If you want to exclude specific pages, you can enter a pattern in regular expression, regex format of what to exclude. In this example, we will exclude the home page, home.aspx, by specifying the following regex. Finally, click Add External Integration to finalize the creation. Once the creation is confirmed, click back to External Integrations list to return to the list of external integrations. The Microsoft SharePoint Pages integration is now available in the list with the created status. Wait until its status indicates ready before testing any agent with this data source, as the pages need to be processed first. Note that you can click on the integration to open a side panel, allowing you to view the details of the integration.